Hi, I'm back. Yeah, and I'm back with a great big smile. This is a wig that I was asked to review by WIGSHE. And again, you guys, this is a human hair wig, and you guys have seen me review two others for them now. This one is WIG084, and she is in the featured color Mushroom Blonde. And I am beyond excited to have this one. This is like uh, dream come true hair coloring, which is what I used to always want to have when I had my own hair, and I tried to get my hair to color like this and it never would. So yeah, so this is WIGSHE 084. Take a look at the hairline. Take a look, yeah, at the hairline, the parting. She has a lace front part or lace front cap. So you can part this left, right, center, however you want. If you look at the picture of this wig on their website, you are going to see the most beautiful lady wearing this coloring, and she's got her hair all curled up, and it's just stunning. So I wanted to leave this one. I will be playing with this one after, but I wanted to leave this one in the way I got it so that you guys can see what it looks like when she's kind of straight with a little bit of a wave or really curly. But oh my gosh, in those pictures of that beautiful lady, it's stunning. That's what made me want this one so desperately. Okay, so again, this is how she fits me. Okay, I'm a 22-inch circumference. I think I may have messed up my measurement over my ear to ear for them this last time, but this is beautiful because with WIGSHE, you are able to customize these wigs. I was able to have it customized to fit my head, and like I said, I think I measured something wrong, but no matter what, this is gorgeous. I will wear this without any hesitation. So I customized the wig size, the cap size. I did, you can pick 120 or 150%. I went 150% with this because I wanted to see this one in the full glory. And if I want to thin it out later, I can. I don't think I'm going to. She's absolutely stunning as is. Their HD lace, what does it say? Matches all skin, more light, soft, and delicate. Like it's not itchy at all, you guys. It's just a beautiful, beautiful lace. Okay. You can pick between a lace front cap or a full lace cap. I have the lace front cap, and I'll show you that inside in just a second. And the other thing I did, I had them lightly bleach the knots because with human hair, you can get them to bleach the knots so they're not so visible, especially if you have like a bit of a darker root like this is, because I love how natural this looks. Okay, so let's take a look at this one from all sides. Here's the front, left side, my chair's in my way, back. Guys, look at that. Right side and front. Like I am 100% totally in love. In love, in love, in love. Okay. So again, you guys, this is human hair. So you're going to have to maintain this. You're going to have to put treatment in it to keep it moist. And yeah, if you go outside and it's raining, you're going to end up with some different looking hair because it's not synthetic. Human hair, like your own bio hair, you have to work with and work around the environment that you're in. Okay, so let's take this off, and I'm going to show you the inside cap construction. All right, so there's that lace front area, and it's just, look at all of that. That's beautiful. And it goes from ear to ear, and you have, mine has tension clips. You can have that changed as well. I forgot to. I was going to actually do that this time, but I forgot. You can have just regular combs put in. I don't mind these at all. They don't bother me. And there's the regular comb at the nape, slightly extended. You have the hook and eye adjuster tabs, and it's close wefted. So this, I'm like, look at this, you guys. It's just the coloring. Wait till I take you outside. She is stunning. So anytime WIGSHE reaches out, I am so honored, and I'm flabbergasted because I'm just a small time wig person, you guys. I don't have the thousands and thousands and thousands of wig reviews or followers, but I am honored to do the reviews for them because this, like I said, this is my third one, and I love and wear all of them. You've seen me style the other ones. You've seen me wash the first one right after I got it just because I wanted to see what the quality of hair was like. I'm probably going to follow Angela Emmons' instructions on how to put some face filming layers in this one, just to soften it right around the face. But she's gorgeous. I absolutely love her. Again, you guys, go to wigshe.com, check out WIG084, the beautiful lady that's modeling it for them. Oh my gosh, I love what she has done, and she's just stunning. So, but yeah, let's go outside, take a look at her in, I actually have some sunlight at the moment, so let's go. Okay, we are outside, and I want you guys to see this is the coloring of her in the shade. And then let's go out to the sunshine. I'm so excited to have sunshine. Take a look. See the rooting? See the coloring? And then once you add curls and stuff to this, you're going to see a whole lot of dimension with that mushroom blonde. It is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So again, this is WIG084. And I'll have my discount code listed here for you. And you guys take advantage of their customization. To customize the cap sizing doesn't cost you anything extra, so make it fit you. Make it be something that you love and you're going to want to wear over and over and over again, okay? So thank you for watching me and have a wonderful, wonderful day.